Are you also looking to refund a Roblox Game Pass? Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to refund a Game Pass on Roblox using a fast and easy method. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox Support page. If needed, sign in to your Roblox account. Then enter your username, first name, and email address. After that, select the device you use to play Roblox, such as PC, mobile, Xbox, or another platform. Next, under the Help category, select Billing and Payments. Then, under the subcategory, choose Unauthorized Charge or request a refund. In the description box, explain that the Game Pass was purchased by mistake or was an unauthorized purchase. Also include the Game Pass name and your purchase details. Continue with the request, submit the form, and complete the verification puzzle if required. Then wait for Roblox Support to review your request. If your request is approved, your refund will be processed. However, refunds are not guaranteed, and every request is reviewed on a case-by-case basis. Remember, if the purchase was made through Apple, Google Play, Xbox, PlayStation, MetaQuest, Samsung, or Amazon, you should request the refund from that platform instead of Roblox. Still got a problem? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.